You are going to love the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.